Hello, Planet Paula. So one of the most important culturally and for wildlife species you're going to find along rivers and wetlands in California, and most of the world actually, are the willows. And of course behind the willow we have this terrible invasive tamarisk, but these are the willows. There are several species of willow in Southern California. If you want to learn how to identify them, they're all very similar looking, but they have, little differences. Now willows, for the most part, are going to be deciduous, and they'll be green in the summer and spring and maybe the fall. In the winter they'll lose their leaves and be kind of a reddish stick for the most part. Used in various cultural ceremonies, various medicinal uses, easy for me to say. And they are great for wildlife. Birds nest in them, lots of things like to eat willows. And they also do great in wet areas in yards and gardens because they grow so fast. And these willows actually, if you take like say this branch here and you cut like here, strip some of these leaves off and stick this pole in the ground, called a pole planting or a cutting planting, it should turn into a whole new willow. They're great at doing that. They grow super quick, and you can actually, if you want to plant other plants, if you have some willows, you can take a willow, kind of mash it up, crush it up, put it into some water, and use that water to help stimulate root growth in other plants, because the chemicals that tell plants, hey, we need to grow root, are all over this willow, and that's why they're so great at being pole plantings and cuttings.